A verse I wish to begin to the tune of my Lord Gui. Since he has spoken ill of me, I shall speak it of him truly. For in his own lodging he robbed Raymond de Saint Martin. And Lord Raymond and Iron he robbed there likewise, so say I. From beyond Catalonia he made him come here, verily. Now hear from how far he drew water to his mill, you and I. Then he took my lady Nines and see how he made her die. He let the land be lost in which no better ever saw the eye. For he made no claim for it either at evening or at morning sky. At Argos he avenged her with great ruin, say I. The old disinherited one, his neighbors call him by and by. And if anyone praises him, I wouldn't give a nag for the cry. Since he abandoned the cross, I hold him not for a pilgrim, not I, not I. Since he abandoned the cross, I hold him not for a pilgrim, not I, not I. You have heard what Lord Rica Novas says of me. All did he reason himself, and it is right equally that I should say it of him, since he said it of me. Well, I know that no king shall have mercy on John, I decree, who sent us here shamefaced and with bowed head to see. And for the shame he did him, he robbed on the way, so it be. A burgher who was guiding him and still has his property. And then I have heard it said that he pledged to the Viscount truly that he would never part from him until the day of death's decree. Then he went there to take